Hey guys, Key here from Kegland again, and talking to you today about the beer line tidies that we've just put up on the website. This really simple device will organise your kegerator or your cellar area to make your beer lines really neat and tidy. We originally tried to just find something from China. We thought, oh, surely there's a product which already exists, and there were sort of cable organisers, I suppose, that we found, but none of them really were made with good enough silicon to really hold the cable easily or the beer line easily. And also the other thing is a lot of them just weren't the right shape for our beer line or the right diameter. And the other thing is the adhesives on the back were really poor. So we thought, look, stuff it, let's just make our own. It's not that hard. So we injection molded our own silicon model, which I think is awesome. This handy little device costs next to nothing. They're literally a couple of bucks each. They're made from a durable silicon. Also on the back we use good quality 3M adhesive. So I can tell you this stuff, if you peel the backing off and then stick it to a nice clean surface like that, highly recommend making sure the surface is clean, got no oils, so clean it with a bit of isopropyl or something like that, then you'll get a really, really good adhesion. The other good thing about the 3M adhesive, this particular grade of 3M adhesive we used, is one that's good for cold temperatures, so you can put it inside your fridge door or something like that, and then, you know, have your beer lines or gas lines running around on the inside of the fridge in a much more organised manner. Anyway, this is what it looks like set up. So this is my example cellar room that I've put together. I'm using the 8mm ever barrier, and you can see I've got my beer lines just sitting in here. There's 5 slots to each beer line tidy. Look, if a lot of people request different numbers, we might make, you know, 6 or 7 or 8 ones, or 2 ones, for instance, which only fit a couple of lines. But for now, they all hold 5. You can always just use more of them if you need to use a different number of beer lines. It's easy enough to pull the line out. So if you've got a gas line in this case, I can just pull it out like that. And if I need to put it back on, I just push it firmly down like that into place. And there you go. If you're using some of the Ever Barrier 3/8 or the Ever Barrier 1/4 inch, we'll work with this too. It is primarily designed for the Ever Barrier 5/16 or 8mm, but it will work with other sizes. So if I've got the 3/8, as you can see here, it'll fit in and it'll be a fairly snug fit. It's not exactly perfect, but you know, it will work. Once again, if I'm using the 1/4 inch line, this will fit in there, but it's a slightly loose fit, I guess. So look, if we get a lot of call for it, we might make some other specific sizes for 1/4 inch and 3/8 tubing as well. Now another handy thing you can do is just use it to simply hang stuff up. So just peel the backing off, stick it onto the wall of your fridge or wherever you want to put it, and then you can actually use it to hang things like, you know, I've got a little party tap here or my blow tie unit, and just hang stuff up off it. So for a couple of bucks, I think it's an awesome, handy little device. Well, I hope you enjoy using the beer line tidy, guys. If you want to hear about any other cool stuff, definitely subscribe now. Bottom right hand corner, hit the subscribe button, and it really helps us. The other thing you can do is join the Homebrew community group. We've got a Kegland Homebrew community group with customers just like yourself on there, sharing tips and tricks on how to get the most out of the gear. Anyway, that's it for today, fellas. I'll see you next time. Bye.